the pop for you.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's Carnival Tuesday in Trinidad, which means Carnival in Jamaica is coming up. We're joined today by Kurt Riley, the party animal, who's here to talk to us about his new Carnival section with Bacchanal Carnival. Welcome, Kurt Riley.
Yeah, man,
Hello,
welcome.
Mr. Riley.
Hey, what's up, what's up?
No, you listen to Kurt. I'm going to tell you about Kurt. Kurt is known as the king of Soca, among other things. But in this case, the king of Soca. You've been spinning Soca at parties for years, and you do it like no other. And here you are creating a costume. Is this something that you've always wanted to do?
Yeah, this is actually something I had sat in my brain for like 7 years now.
Yeah.
But because of workload and responsibilities, I wasn't able to do it. So there are a few friends of mine, two ladies especially, who always been hearing me all of this time and said that they are going to make it a reality.
Mm-hmm. So the ladies were the inspiration.
Well, to be honest, yeah. To be honest, yeah, by far. So, so there you have it. This is the birth of Genesis. That's the name of the costume.
Love that, yes. If you could just describe it, I want you to paint the picture in my mind, because you must have seen this before you even start to create it. What does it look like if you had to describe it to me and I'm blind?
The creation of it came from, I guess, visually seeing all of the beautiful women that I've seen in Carnival and putting all of those elements together.
Together, yes.
You would say that is the whoosh.
Yeah. I mean, it's right there.
Yeah.
I see why you're speechless, Kurt.
As you can see, it is considered to be, if not one of, but the most beautiful costume on the Bacchanal line for this year.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said,
I love it.
It is really gorgeous.
Yeah.
Good
sexy
job.
bud. It's sexy bud.
Very lovely. And there you are.
All right, so tell us about your section and why Bacchanal.
Well, besides the fact that they gave me the opportunity to do this, my section is going to have more than just vibes. Like I said, it is observation over the years, listening to the cry of a certain type of energy that has always been missing. So, me now being exposed to all of the carnivals in the Caribbean and outside of the region is me now trying to bring all of that energy and vibe into one band.
But when I look at Carnival, I wouldn't see a missing energy just looking at it.
No, because
you can tell me what is that energy?
You don't know.
What would you consider that energy to be?
That is like asking me the color of a toothache.
Oh. I get it. I get the picture.
No, you see, you have to understand, Joel hasn't really been in Carnival before.
For real?
So, yeah,
Never.
so he doesn't.
Why? How come? I'm just asking.
I don't know if I'm always at work.
Because you're always working.
I mean, no, but
Okay.
it's never. It's something that I've always admired from afar. But in terms of the experience, I've never gone out and said, "Here, I'm gonna go jump."
Well, I'm
our friends and thing we do it.
Well,
but I've never done
take
it
a
before.
chance if you have the time. Jump in Genesis.
Yes.
All right.
No,
I'm
and then
sold.
sometimes
The
too,
costume,
as a
the costume,
spectator,
I'm
you're looking at it. I can tell you, when I used to be at Fame with Kurt, and Kurt plays on the truck, on the Carnival truck, it's like a whole different carnival by itself inside.
Yeah,
what is
because what
happening.
happened is I'm bringing all the elements
Yeah, man.
musically inside there. So you're gonna hear music from not only Trinidad, you're gonna be hearing music from St. Lucia, Antigua, St. Kitts, Barbados, fused with a hint of Jamaican stuff, because we have stuff here in Jamaica which is dancehall music that sort of have that soca kind of vibe.
Yeah.
So giving you the best of all that, brother, I tell you, is the sweetest thing.
Genesis, here I come.
Yep.
Like the sweetest thing.
All right, Kurt, cost of the costumes, and how do we sign up?
All right, the front line is $750 US, mid line is $600, and the back line is $500. And what you need to do is register to bacchanalJamaica.com or visit Stadium North. And you can call 754-5396.
All right, and we see the t-shirts pop up on screen.
You know, that is another thing, as you can see. With the t-shirt, the t-shirt section is just going for $280. If you need to get more information, you can call 572-1568 and ask for Tajna.
Okay,
cool.
wonderful.
We'll get the sign-up
Is there
details.
anybody you want to thank?
Wow.
Yeah?
Countless.
Well,
Yeah, everybody, because I don't want to leave out anybody.
yes.
But I would have to say everybody who assisted in making my dream come to life. You understand? From the lady who cleaned the venue and said, Kurt, you know, say if you have a carnival band, I'm gonna jump with you.
Wow.
you understand, to everybody here, everybody else who is currently assisting me making it possible. Is a feeling I can't even...
Yeah, it's unreal. It's unreal, yeah. Yes, I understand.
Because
to see your dream come to life.
Well, that's one of the best things that can ever happen, especially when, you know, it's something that you've been in, but never taken a step in terms of taking it up a notch, in terms of going full-blown in playing a section like that. So I totally understand. But in terms of promotions going towards it, you know, I know it will be all over social media, but in terms of CDs or specific...
Well, you're gonna have mixed CDs out, but most of the music will be sort of like online though, so you can download it. If you need more information, you can go on the Animal Instinct Carnival JA Instagram page. We have some more information that they can check it out there. So also we're also associated with UA Carnival this year for the first time.
You know
about that?
Yeah, man.
That's another thing.
Yes.
You understand? T-shirt line, stuff like that. So like I said, you can go there and just check it out on the social media page, Animal Instinct JA. All
right, Kurt, real quick, you would have mentioned it earlier somehow, but what can we expect from jumping with Genesis in your carnival?
It's an experience we'll never forget.
Yes.
That's it, basically.
That's it.
That's it.
Well, listen, I'm sold on going to Genesis, but here we have giveaways from mothers. So head over to our Facebook page, and you'll get the chance to win kisses and patty meals. Not kisses, I didn't kisses, but like kisses.
Yeah, I'm a little hungry.
No, the question is, the first 6 persons to answer correctly want to win something from mothers. Name the play that stars or guests that was on the show a while ago, Kadeem Wilson and Chris McFarlane. Go, answer right now, and we will announce by our Facebook page.
All right, Kurt, thank you so much. Genesis, it is...
On the road.
On the road. Bacchanal. Kurt, talk to me now.
All right, I know.
My boy.
The daytime live will be right back.